We are going to another spot, see if we can get one roosted. We got one, not roosted, I'm tired. Not roosted, we can get one struck up. We struck, go ahead.
They knew what you meant.
Yeah, 2 hours of sleep.
I'm for a wager I can get a bird to gobble right now.
How much can you afford to lose?
$5 says I get one to gobble.
All right, I'll take it.
I didn't get him to gobble, he got on his own.
He's down. He's
hot. He's on private, but there's public that goes up that hill.
He might be high enough to pull down the hill. Do it again. Out who?
I don't want to call anymore because he gobbled like 3 times in that call.
Oh yeah, he did. Yeah.
He's gobbling.
He's cutting you off.
He's hot. He might be by himself. I had this bird roosted here last night. It's on private. The public goes up the hill a little bit. We didn't hunt him this morning, but we just drove by and he gobbled on his own when we got out of the car. I hit a turkey call and he started gobbling lights out. I get unhung from the bushes. Public doesn't go up all the way, but there is a bench up here, and he is so hot gobbling that there may be a chance we can calm down to this bench. So we're gonna give it a shot. See what happens. He quit gobbling. He quit gobbling. He knows we're coming. You want to break some more sticks? That lucky hat don't mean nothing when you're down there knocking trees down. He's gobbling his head off. He's way up there on top. We got to convince him to come down here, which is going to be a major feat. I think we just need to get to where the cover thins out and just try to calm down here. Let him think we're down here on this bench. He's gobbled 50 times since or more since we got out of the truck. He's still gobbling every 10 seconds. Yeah, this might work here. I'm gonna try to sound like multiple birds. I mean, he is on fire.
I've never had one go that much. Have you?
Yeah. I've been hunting for 30-something years now.
That is true. This bird is
on fire. Alright, now we give him the sound treatment. Because of the situation, he's up high where we would prefer to be and unlikely to come low. He's so fired up, he knows there's 2 different hens down here. We're just gonna give him the sound treatment and see if he breaks.
alright.
Wake me up when he comes.
I will.
Cameras are rolling.
How long do we give him?
45 minutes at least.
Alright. This is as long as he ain't gobbling.
I was getting ready to say he quit gobbling.
He could be coming.
Yeah. Exactly what I was thinking.
I think he's came down some.
Yeah. Let's just be patient. See what happens. Yeah, I have him just under 200 yards. That is much closer.
That's what I thought too. He's coming, dude.
Yeah, you just look up the hill.
He's running. You ready to pay that $5?
Yeah, I'm glad to pay. This is going to be one of the situations you get a clear shot, you shoot him. Don't ask
Don't
me.
move.
Huh?
Don't move.
You see him?
I hear him walking.
Okay. I'm going to just point my camera down your barrel. You just shoot when you see him.
He's coming.
Yeah. Watch your movement. Because he's going to be looking right down here. You can't be doing that.
I can't get still. You hear him walking.
I'm drumming.
Don't move. There's so much brush in here.
Yeah, don't worry, he'll find his way through.
I see him.
You get a clear shot, you shoot him.
I know that. Don't move.
I can't see Jack.
Don't move.
Take it down.
He's behind this tree. Don't move. I see him.
Whenever you get a clear shot, take it down.
Don't move.
Do you see him?
He's behind this tree. I can't see him.
Did you see him run off?
No.
Did you see him fly off?
No, nothing.
He probably fell stone dead. Did you say you had him at 10 yards?
Yeah.
He's probably laying right there dead. He better be.
Yeah, he's flopping.
That ain't 10 yards. Heck yeah, man.
Thank you.
I guess I lost that bet.
It's worth losing, wasn't it? Looky there.
Lucky hat. That's all we needed. Man, this bird's on fire, and I never would have guessed we'd call him down this hill. But he was so hot.
I see he come, he running. He stood right there where I shot him at. He stood right there for a minute and couldn't get a shot on him. I bet this bird weighs 22 pounds.
Yeah, hold this for a minute. I'll pick him up for a minute. He's a good, yeah, he's 22, 23. Nice. Now you can film me kill one.
I wish you'd have killed this one. It's so easy.
He was asking to be killed.
He was.
And when you said he's flopping, you talking about a sigh of relief on me?
He come in here running. I'm talking running with bright red head.
Hey, well, look, he gobbled 200 times in the time we got out of the truck to him, right?
He got right here. He got right here. And he made a couple steps this way and got behind all this junk. Then he was starting to leave. And then that's when
yeah, he's about right where you're at is where you picked him up from.
Yeah, right here. Here's where
well, see, I heard him coming down the hill. That's why I threw that little yelp out, because I was trying to direct him back this way.
Yeah.
Because I thought he was just going to go right on down the hill, and then it was really thick. You made a good decision. You didn't really talk me into coming up here, but you made me second guess, because I was like, we're not going to call that bird down that hill. The bird's 300 yards from the public.
Yeah.
The boundary is right up the hill here.
We're 67 yards from the line, ain't we?
Yeah, well, we're only another 30 or 40 yards up the hill to the property line, but we got to this first clear opening here, and I told Tyler, I was like, man, we're getting close to the property line, and I don't want to be right on top of it. I want to have shooting distance. And then you and I both saw this lane at the same time. You pointed out, but I'd already seen it. I was like, we need to get to this little open area. Nice job, man. I know fist pumped you a couple times already. I was so happy because you didn't have me worried talking about all your misfortunes turkey hunting this season. I was like, man, don't bring that stuff here.
I'm a good shot. It's just the gun. Behind that gun.
Man, I know how it is. You get a turkey in front of you and get nerves. It can make the best shot of.
He got behind this junk right here, my elbow started falling off my knee. I thought, God, I can't move. But then, did you see me kind of like slide down and move?
I saw you right before the shot shift.
Yeah, because he was starting to walk up there, walking back towards the mountain, and I just shifted a little bit.
When you told me don't move, he's at 10 yards. I'm like, holy cow, where's 10 yards? That's like right here.
Well, he was right, was it, about 20, 25?
This is the bird one of the birds I roosted last night, and then we pulled up just a little while ago, trying to strike birds on the public, and we got out of the truck and he gobbled. We didn't even make a call.
And then you said,
well, we ignored him, went on up the road.
Yeah, like he was so far up I would never have thought that bird would have come down the mountain.
Like the one earlier this morning. We were down in the valley and he didn't budge. And I figured it's gonna be the same thing. But this bird,
burning up.
He gobbled way too much. When I made that pot call, when I called with the pot call on the road, he triple gobbled on it. I was like, you know what? We might have a chance of calling this bird down the hill. He is that hot.
He's a big old bird too.
Yeah, I'm guessing 22, 23 pounds. He could go a little more. He just feels heavy. I got a scale down at the truck. Spurs aren't, super long, 3/4.
Yeah. I don't care if it was a Jake. I was gonna shoot him.
The way he was gobbling, man, I knew he was a big.
And won $5.
No, you won your $5 back.
Oh, I did lose it.